for 100. 100. Achievable.
Ha. Oo na.
Ang kalamay is 100 per bundle. Mga pastillas naman, 170 or 4,000.
Your Ilocos trip wouldn't be complete if hindi kayo mag-stop over dito sa Kalamayan Pasalubong Center in Candon City. You can buy chicha corn for as low as 100 pesos for 3 small packs. At syempre, hindi mawawala ang kalamay or rice cake na very famous dito sa Candon. Meron din mga pastillas, yema, butcheron, and iba pang local products na perfect pang pasalubong. Don't forget to ask pala for a freebie, lalo if madami-dami din ang inyong nabili. The sellers are all mababait naman and they are willing to give you a free taste or even an extra pack for free. At kung prutas naman ang